Hi guys, in this video we'll talk about like Cash App is not allowing you to send Bitcoin. So how you can fix this issue. So first of all, as you can see, like can't send Bitcoin on Cash App. And if you can't send Bitcoin on Cash App, try these steps. First of all, verify your identity. Ensure your account is fully verified. Like you are not verified your identity on the Cash App. So you won't be able to transfer any kind of like cryptocurrencies. So first thing is just verify your account. And second is check limits. Confirm you haven't exceeded your Bitcoin sending limits, as this can be an issue while sending the Bitcoin. And the next is update the application. Make sure you're using the latest version of Cash App, as this can be an issue sometimes that the older versions show kind of a problem, and when you update the app, then all the issues are fixed. And the next thing is correct address. Verify the recipient Bitcoin address is correct and supported, as it is very important to send your amount on the correct address, as if you enter the wrong address, so the recipient won't receive any Bitcoin. And if you are like entering a wrong address, so it might be showing an error that you cannot send the Bitcoin or like any other coin. So make sure to follow these steps step by step, and you will be not facing the issue anymore, and you will be able to send the Bitcoin on Cash App.